Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very tasty rice flour snack recipe. So if you want to make this recipe, please make this and share your experience with me, and if you will make it once you will love it. It is very tasty and very tempting. So let's get started, and if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So for making this, here I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. Now I am going to add a little bit of salt. So here I have added half teaspoon of salt. Now I have mixed it. Now I am going to knead it. So for this, here I have taken water and it's a lukewarm water. So add a little bit of water and knead it a soft dough. So we want little bit of soft dough. So add water and knead it very nicely. So it has done, you can see it is soft dough. So for making this snack, here I have taken a steamer and I have added 2 glass of water. Now I will cover it and leave it for 5 minutes and it will be boil. And now take this and apply some oil. So a little bit of oil apply here and do it like this. So spread the oil everywhere. You can see how I am doing. So it is done. Now we will make the snack. So take a dough ball and you can make it little bit of small or big, but I will make little bit of small. You can see how I am doing. So make a dough ball like this and it is done, and I will make all the dough ball like this. It is very easy process. You can see how I am doing, and I will make all the dough balls like this. So these are done. You can see I have made all the dough ball, and now here our water is boiling. You can see. Now put this, and now I'm going to cover it, and in high to medium flame we will leave it for 15 minutes and it will be cooked. So 15 minutes are over and it has cooked now. Now switch off the gas and check it. So take one ball and you can see it has changed color and it is little bit of tight. This means it has done. So we will transfer it into a plate. So you have seen it is a very easy process. So transfer it into a plate, then I will fry it. So here I have transferred all the dough ball and you can see how it is looking. Now I am going to fry it. So for this, here I have taken a pan. Then I am going to add oil. So here I have added 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, and when oil will be hot, then I will add cumin. So here I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin, then green chili, 2 green chili finely chopped, and stir it, and when it will be cooked, then I will add red chili. Now add red chili. So here I have added 3 red chili and stir it and cook it for 1 minute. So it has cooked, you can see. Now I am going to add tomato. So here I have taken 1 finely chopped tomato, and I have taken 1 medium sized tomato and cut it in small pieces, and I will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add salt. So add salt according to your taste. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, and red chili powder 1 teaspoon. If you don't like red chili, so skip it. And now add coriander powder 1 teaspoon and mango powder 1 teaspoon. It will be super delicious. So mix it and cook it for 2 or 3 minutes, and you can see it is done. Our spices are cooked. Now add these balls and fry it for 2 or 3 minutes in high or medium flame and stir it continuously. So you can see it is looking very tempting and it is done. Now I'm going to serve it. So you can see it is looking tempting and very delicious. So whenever you want to make this recipe, please make this and share your experience with me. And you can eat this with tea and you will love it. So make this and share your experience. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. And you can see all the videos English and in Hindi also. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.